Good evening, uh, my fellow well-wishers and my disciples, my beloved, all and one. Now we are in a situation which is gripped by the pandemic. But in this situation, everybody should have their own energy level totally raised by your own capacity on internal exercises and also external daily livings. এই করোনা পরিস্থিতিতে আমরা সবাই ব্যস্ত, কিন্তু সকলকেই নিজেদের ভালো থাকতে হবে। সবাই ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন, নিজেদের মতো করে বাঁচুন, আনন্দে বাঁচুন। अपने खुशी से जियो, अपने आनंद से जियो और अंतर मन से वो ऊर्जा पैदा करो. Generate the energy from your inside. Now, today I am going to discuss about something which one of my German follower had told me that he is interested with the Buddhist culture and Buddhist yes, there are so many divisions, so many teachings, whereby everybody have their liberty to follow any sort of type of preaching. Buddha is the preacher of Bauddha Dharma. Now, this has been misinterpreted that Buddhist is some other religion. No. Buddha has his heritage from Indian culture, Indian religion and Indian total spiritual base. He born and brought up in Nepal, which is the part of Indian territory. Once upon a time it was. And now also Nepal is a Hindu Rashtra. It is believed by them. And Hinduism is not a specific subject preached by one single person. হিন্দুত্ব কোনো তো ধর্ম নয় যে কোনো একজন বিশেষ ব্যক্তি মাত্রই সেটাকে প্রচার করেছে। कोई एक आदमी ने हिंदुत्व की प्रचार नहीं किया, इसलिए so हिंदुत्व is not a single so called community. It is a big vast feelings, and Buddha is also a part and particle of our big Hindu dharma, Hindu religion. Afterwards, somebody for their vested interests or something like that have departed and deviated Buddhism from Hinduism. But it is not fact. If you do analyze from the base of the knowledge, and all these things will be clear. Anyway, Buddhadev was born in Nepal in Kapilavastu, and afterwards he turned himself as a sannyasi and went out, leaving his worldly kingdom and etc. He left everything and had taken sannyas and went to Tibet. When he get empowered, generated, and siddhi, when he got the siddhi. सिद्धि लाभेर परे तिनी जे चले गेछेन नेपाले, सबको पता है. He was been in the hospitality. He was been under the resort of Nepal, under the resort of Chinese then emperor, and he take resort in Tibet, where there was a vast practice of tantra and this allied subjects. Now, from there he had practiced tantra, and Buddha is also been accepted as the ninth incarnation of Lord Vishnu in the basic practice of Tantra. एकदम मौलिक जगह चले गए हमारे तंत्र की जो भावना है भावना से जुड़ी है जो तंत्र की व्याख्यान है whatever the description of tantra there is it is आगत शिव भक्त भक्त गिरिजा मुखे माता वासुदेव से इत्यागम विद्यते युगो युगो में वासुदेव भगवान विष्णु ने तंत्र के परिचय किया है. He was the missionary of our Hindu religious texts and spiritualities. Okay? যুগ যুগ ধরে বাসুদেব ভগবান তিনি আমাদের তন্ত্রের প্রচারক and from the Vishnu feelings the tantra has been delivered and has been practiced all over India, and according to Vishnu's way of preaching, he came with the chariot, and the chariot, it was at the behind, in front it was the horses who pulled the chariots, and in the middle position the Lord himself was there. And in this way he came from the northern side to the southern side of India, and in this way our Tantra sector has been geographically divided. भौगोलिक भावे तंत्र एरकम विभाजन হয়েছে विष्णु क्रांता अश्व क्रांता एंड रथ क्रांता. ये तीनों डेविएशन जियोग्राफिकली किया गया है. Vishnu Kranta is the middle portion, the eastern portion of the chariot. The middle portion where the Lord himself was stood. The back portion was the chariot. It is Rath Kranta. ये रथ क्रांता है, सामने अश्व क्रांता. तो तीनों क्रांता में ये जो विभाजित तंत्र, ये तंत्र युगों युगों से चले आ रहा है. It is running from very ancient ages, and in that case the era of Buddha, it was some 1,000 years ago, and from 1,000 years ago, previously in the era of Dwapar Yug, in the era of Sri Krishna, at his 8th incarnation, he had given the Tantra, Bhagavati Tantra, to us, and in Kali Yuga, for the Kali Yuga, when Bhagavan Sri Krishna demised, and from that time on, the Kali Yuga started, and in that Kali Yuga, the Purna Avatar, it is not possible, a Kali Yuga, Sangha Shakti Kalau Yuge, it is said, Kali Yuge Purna Avatar পাওয়া মুশকিল. পূর্ণ ব্রহ্ম নারায়ণ শ্রীকৃষ্ণ পূর্ণ ব্রহ্ম ছিলেন, এটা বলা হয়ে থাকে. At least we accept him as a complete leader. He was a complete Nayaka, and from that viewpoint he is Purna Brahma. It is admitted by the historians also that he was a great diplomat and he was a great tantric, he was a great king, he was a great remover, he is a great motivator. Whatever you call him, he was the 8th incarnation and of the Purna Brahma, 8th incarnation of Lord Vishnu, with full capacity. And after that, Buddha came, as Buddha has been also admitted as the 9th incarnation. But in this incarnation, Buddha has not given the full energy, since this energy required the unity. You know, Buddha Saman is, first of all, Buddhang Saranang Gacchami. We have to take a sort of Buddha. After that, Dharmang Saranang Gacchami. We have to take a sort of the religion. And Sanghang Saranam Gacchami. We have to take the sort of the unity. So that's the fact that Buddha has given these 3 main sermons, and from that Buddhist feelings and Buddhist Tantra has been developed. Buddha Tantra যেটা সেই তন্ত্রটাও কিন্তু মূল এই 3টি তত্ত্বের উপরে আশ্রয় করে, পঞ্চশীলের ধারণা এবং এই মূল 3টে তত্ত্ব যেটা যে বুদ্ধের স্মরণ, ধর্মের স্মরণ এবং সংঘের স্মরণ নিয়েই আমাদের সেই বুদ্ধ যে অ্যাকচুয়ালি বুদ্ধ ওয়াজ ইন সার্চ অফ দি রেমেডি অফ ডেথ, লাইফস diseases, the old age, जरा व्याधि मृत्यु, इस तीनों की क्या निदान है, इस निदान को ढूंढने के लिए बुद्ध ने संसार छोड़ दिए थे. बट ही वॉज इन द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ तपा इन द वैदिक वे एंड some very tough way. He started his tapasya, started penance, but it was in vain until unless Sujata in the form of Ma, she came and she given the advice to Siddhartha that if you do want to be Siddhartha, Siddha Artha, if you do want to get Siddhi, in that sense, Artha, if you do want to achieve that, you have to take a research of food since it is the Kali Yuga, Annagata Prana. If you don't have your food, you will not be able to survive. And if you can't survive, you will not be able to make the way out, find the way out of this worldly knowledges. তো জ্ঞানকে বার করতে গেলে পেটে খেতে হবে. তো তাই আমাদের তন্ত্রের মধ্যে কোনো উপবাস বলে কিছু নেই. There is no fasting in our tantric practices. And like previously in the Vedic practices, we have many superstitions like that in this era also you have to be on fasting, for pujas and all. But this is a wrong feeling, because this era it is Kali Yuga. Now the thing is that Buddha's feelings and Buddha's conception about Tantra and about the goddesses of the Kali Yuga, who can give us the Siddhi. They have in Vajrajan also, Gujar Samaj also, and in similar texts and similar knowledges, everywhere there is the pressure on Vajrajani, Tara, Vajrajani, Devi. Now thing is that in Kali Yuga, why Buddha has given stress on this Tara and everything? Because Kali Adi Vidya Brahma Swarupini, it's the base of all knowledge, Kali. And Kali has been practiced by Buddha in his previous incarnations. That's why Buddha started with Tara. Kali and Krishna was the same. In his Bhagavati Leela, Krishna has proven and Krishna has shown the Krishna Kali form, that the form is very much single. The energy of the Brahma, energy of the godly energy, and the goddess, the energy is single, and that has been shown in the Krishna Kali part of Bhagavati Leela, you know all well. Then in his tantric practice in the Kali Yuga, for Kali Yuga, he had practiced the Tara fast, and he had taken Tara in the limelight. It doesn't mean that you people, whoever is starting with Tantra, you needn't have to learn the basic ABCD of Tantra. So, don't get obsessed with Tara at your first stage. Tara must come. Tara is Chalachita Madhyagatam Ghoradrankshankaralinim. She will come at your mature age. And Buddha also taken the sort of Tara at his age of more than 60 or something like that. He survived up to 80 years, we know all, and left his worldly breathing and at the age of 80, at Kushinagar. And the thing is that within this period he had developed the Tantric Vajrayani, Mahajani, Hinajani was been in at this first stage, and Tantric Vajrayani Tantra, where the Tara, where the Prachanda Chandika also, they are Vajra Bhairachani, I mean the Chindamastika. These have also been enlightened in the Buddhist spiritual culture, and that is nothing different from the Indian ancient culture. The Indian ancient Tantra is sufficient. There is very much basic practice and the way out and the directions of Tantra in very, very detailed way. Buddha's tantric way is not so much detailed, and it is not much based on the practical appliances. Rather, it is based on bhava, the appreciation, the feeling. Buddhist tantra is based on mainly feeling, mainly conception. There is not much practitional side, practical aspects. So much we have in our Tantra. There are very vast sort of different sort of practices and detailed form, detailed aspects to get some sort of remedious healing, removal. And through Satkarma, and we know that many types of works can be take place to Tantra, and the Tantra is based with the energy, and that energy is single-minded. That single energy, if you do want to capture it, you have to take resort of the basic Tantra first, and then only you will be able to gather the knowledge of Tara, because Tara is the lady or goddess of knowledge, and she is the mistress of Jupiter. In our tantric astrology, astrotantric process through which we can control and we can heal the negative aspects of malefic planets, हमरा जो ग्रहोदय एक कुग्रह व पाप ग्रहोदय हम लोग जो ये कर सकते हैं, इसका जो उपचार है, इसमें तारा देवी है, बृहस्पति, गुरु बृहस्पति का देवी. But mind it, this is Kali Yuga. Brihaspati is not a malefic planet. Brihaspati is a good planet. He is not an evil planet. And the men is in the side of the good planets, like Jupiter, Sun, Moon, Venus, Mercury. These are positive planets, and the negative planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and sometimes Mangal. These are the negative planets. And negative planets, malefic planets, they are the Pap Graha. They carry the sin effects. And the Pap Graha has the power. In Kali Yuga, they have got 75% power. And the good planets, they don't have the much power. They are 25% power only in this Kali Yuga. So Saturn is the leader of this evil planets or malefic planets, which is very much powerful, and the controller of Saturn is obviously the basic, the main Adi Vidya Brahmamai Kalika. Now if you don't want to get rid of these worldly problems of Kali Yuga, you must have to take resort of Kali. The basic Tantra is Kali, and the basics have to be followed first. একদম গোড়া থেকে শুরু না করলে কোনো অবস্থাতেই তুমি উপরে যেতে পারো না. आप लोगों को शुरुआत करनी है तो एकदम प्राथमिकता से शुरुआत करनी है, और वो है आदि विद्या ब्रह्ममयी कालिका. Now the thing is that Kalika is vast. There is vast aspects of Kali, and nobody can learn Kali in a single life, and nobody can say it. Nobody can demand it also. And also Tara is also that vast subject. But to attain Tara, attain this minimum knowledge of Tara, you must have to go through the way of Kali. Otherwise, there will be past hurdles in your life and you will not be able to get the touch of Tara also. And afterwards, there is also the Raj Rajeshwari Tripura Sundari. All this have to be practiced, can be practiced within a single life. Yet nobody can tell that I have been able to take into account of all these three in a single life. But try to learn, try to practice from your heart, and take the guidance of your Sadguru, proper Guru, and the proper directions can give you the proper resultings, and proper generation of power will make you a successful man, successful sadhak, and all your siddhis will be attained from there. যত রকমের সিদ্ধি আছে সব তোমার সেখান থেকেই আসবে। सारे सिद्धियां की जो है जितना तक हो सके अपने सदगुरु की इच्छा से you can attain it. That's all. Thank you very much. जय माता।